Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most impressive and eye-catching machines you'll ever see on the road, a fully customized luxury RV built on a powerful Mack truck chassis. This isn't your typical motorhome. This is a rolling fortress of comfort, engineering, and style, designed for the traveler who wants not only the freedom of the open road but the presence and capability of a heavy-duty commercial vehicle. From the moment you see it, even from a distance, you know this thing is built to turn heads. Let's start with the exterior because that alone tells a story. The deep, glossy blue paint gives the RV a sleek, almost futuristic appearance. The surface reflects the snowy landscape around it like a mirror, highlighting the craftsmanship that went into every panel. The Mack front end carries that bold, unmistakable grille, framed by modern LED headlights that look like they could cut through any storm. And of course, the overall stance of the vehicle is nothing short of commanding. With its triple rear axles and long, extended body, the RV looks more like a luxury tour bus mixed with a long-haul hauler than anything you'd see at a typical campground. Walking around to the side, you can really appreciate the attention to detail. The tinted flush mount windows give it that high-end, private suite feel. Everything is integrated smoothly into the body so nothing disrupts the flowing design. Even the storage compartments blend seamlessly into the lower paneling. When you look at this vehicle from top to bottom, it's clear that every inch of it was built with both function and style in mind. This isn't just a build, it's a statement. Now imagine the view from the back. The rear of the vehicle continues that same clean, modern design language. Large vertical tail lights sit on both sides, sharp and bright for maximum visibility. The back panel is broad and solid, giving off a sense of strength and stability. You'll often find integrated access points back here, either to storage, equipment, or maintenance panels. And with the snowy landscape surrounding it, the contrast between the white ground and the deep blue paint makes the RV stand out even more. It's the kind of scene you'd expect in a magazine spread or a commercial meant to show the ultimate winter travel setup. But aside from the looks, think about what a build like this means for travel. This is the kind of vehicle that allows you to bring the comfort of a luxury apartment wherever you go. Whether you're heading into the mountains, exploring remote highways, or just wanting to experience the world without giving up the conveniences of home, a custom RV like this delivers on all fronts. The Mack chassis ensures durability and power, meaning it's more than capable of handling long trips, steep grades, or rough weather. You're not only traveling, you're traveling with confidence. And inside, although we don't see it in this shot, you can imagine the level of craftsmanship that usually comes with a build of this caliber. High-end materials, full living spaces, a kitchen, entertainment areas, and often bedroom suites designed to rival what you'd find in luxury hotels. Everything is engineered to maximize both comfort and usability, all wrapped inside a shell that looks like it belongs in a futuristic trucking show. So whether you're dreaming of hitting the road full-time, looking for ideas for your next custom build, or just love seeing incredible machines like this RV is a perfect example of what's possible when engineering meets imagination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more amazing builds and breakdowns.